as you keep on working with Windows, there might be a point of time where you want to access hidden files. So to understand more about hidden files, first of all, I'm going to go to the File Explorer right over here, and then I'm going to go around to the C drive right over here. And here you can see a bunch of folders right over here, and these are not hidden. To access hidden files, I have to go to View right over here on the top ribbon area, and then here you can see the option for hidden items. So if I were to take that on, you can see some additional folders which are like temporary folders and so forth. These are program data and something which are sensitive files. So if you delete them, then they might cause problems. So usually Windows keeps them hidden. So you can go over here now and access any of the files that is there in that folder. So besides that, you can also work around with your own hidden files and folders as well. So let me just go on to my document for this one, and over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn an existing item into a hidden folder. So I can actually turn everything hidden if I want to. So over here, let's say for example I want to hide this turtle folder right over here. So I can right click on it to hide it out. I can go to properties, and over here you can see that there's the attributes hidden. So this is checked off, not checked in. So I'm going to check that out, and I'm going to press apply, and it asks me a question. So do I want to apply it to only the main folder or all the subfolders as well? So if you just want the main folder to be hidden and all the other subfolders to be visible, let me just do apply change to folder only for now, and press OK, and press OK again. So now you can see that the turtle folder is hidden. It's actually semi-transparent. So if you uncheck the hidden item, then the turtle folder is not there anymore. But what you can do is that the turtle folder is still accessible. So you can actually go on to the document, you can press a slash right over here and type in turtle. So I'm just going to type in turtle right over here, press enter. Then it accesses the folder. Even if it is hidden, the files are still there. But here you can see that all of the files and folders are visible even though we are not in hidden items mode. That is because we only made the main folder hidden and not the folders inside it. Okay, let's just go around and change that out over here. So I'm going to go around into properties. I'm going to change around the hidden setting again. Let me unhide it, apply, apply to everything, and hidden, apply changes to folders, subfolders, and files. So it has applied the hidden effect to all of these folders inside as well. So if I were to uncheck hidden item right over here, and now go inside the turtle folder right over here. Turtle folder, if I were to go inside, now everything is hidden, as you can see right here. So this is what happens when you apply it to subfolders and all of the files as well. But if you check hidden items, then they will be visible. So this is how you can work around with hidden files. So if you want to unhide it again, you right click on it, go to properties, uncheck hidden, and press OK. So apply changes to everything, and now the folder is unhidden again. So that is how you can work around with hidden files and folders inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.